This is a tiny woman.
Hello?
Hey.
Bastille. She is tiny.
Rabbit. Up,
That's not what... Okay.
I know. Someone honked at me. What do you expect me to do? I don't know who honked at me, but someone honked at me. Shut up, Kersey.
Go watch TikTok on the toilet.
Okay, fine. Yeah, Kersey.
That is a tiny woman.
Someone honked at me. I don't know whose mic it was. It was a car horn. Kersey, help!
I got the bowling ball. Here it comes.
I just did 1 billion damage with that.
Ah!
Here comes a giant bowling ball!
Oh, bro, you got zoomies right now. Oh, god damn.
God damn.
God damn, my boy.
Help! 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 Oh, Kersey, help me, please. Oh, throw your orb at him, please. Throw a big orb. Throw a ball. Oh, he hurts me so bad. I'm lagging out. I'm lagging out. No, I'm lagging out. Am I alive? I'm alive! Thank you, Kersey!
You know what? Work sounds stupid tomorrow. I think I will call out.
You saved me. No, Kersey! I'm sorry! No! Ah! There's a second rat! A second rat has hit the Worgen Warrior! Ah! Oh no! My wife died for nothing! Ah! You will not kill me! I am big and strong. Yeah, I hit him with the bowling ball. Oh, he hurts a lot. Ah! I couldn't outrun the Chaos Bolt.